So in the last video, we saw how we can include contextual information in our chatbot. So in this video, we're going to talk about something. We know what simple prompts are. We've already given prompts to our chatbot. But in this video, we're going to introduce a concept called chat prompt template. So chat prompt template in LangChain, it is a tool that helps you design and organize prompt for chat-based AI models in a structured way. So instead of writing the entire message each time, you can actually give a pattern that includes different roles like system, human, and AI, along with placeholders for dynamic values. So such placeholders are actually later filled with real data when the prompt is actually used. So what this does is it makes it easier to maintain, reuse, and modify prompts without changing the main logic of your application. So if I say it in simple terms, it's like creating a reusable message template that guides how our chatbot or AI assistant should behave and respond in a conversation. So I'm going to include my chat prompt template in my next program. So I'm going to create a new file here, 2.chatpromptTemplate.py. So have our import LangChain underscore core dot prompts import chat prompt template. I'll have my model to LangChain underscore Google Gen AI import chat Google generative AI, and I'll also have my messages here. So from LangChain, uh, I'm not sure if I'll use this or not, but we'll keep it for now. Messages import system message, human message, and AI message. Okay, first of all, what we're going to do is I might not invoke the model at all. I'm just going to show you how our prompts are created during chat prompt template. Okay, so this is actually chat prompt template, not chat message prompt template. So I'm first going to create a template here. So chat template equals to chat prompt template. I'm going to create a list inside this, and then for our system message, I'm going to type in this part, and then you are a helpful domain expert. So the domain is going to be a placeholder which will be filled later on whenever we execute this chat prompt template. And for the human message, I'm going to type explain in simple terms the concept of topic, and then the topic is also going to be our placeholder here. So whenever I create a prompt, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my chat template dot invoke, and inside this, since we have two different placeholders here, so I'm going to provide the value of those placeholders. The first one is domain, so we'll call this quantum mechanics or quantum physics or something like that. And then the next is our topic, so I'm keeping the topic as wormhole. Okay, now if I try and print this prompt, what I'm going to see is a generated prompt from this chat prompt template here, where we have these two messages along with their placeholders. So let me clear this and then run this again. So if I run this, I can see my prompts here. So the first one is a system message. You are a helpful quantum physics expert, because the placeholder is being filled here. And then the human message, explain in simple terms the concept of wormhole. So if I need to invoke this, I can directly define my model here. So if you define a model, then you can directly invoke your model using this prompt here. So model dot invoke and then prompt. I think you can do this by yourself and then check out the result here. What I wanted to show you in this video is a new style of generating our prompts using this chat prompt template.